In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can watch TikToks without an account. Okay, so if you don't have the app installed on your phone and you don't have an account, you can still watch TikToks. And to do it, you go to a browser on your phone. I'm on Google Chrome, and then in the search bar, you just want to type in tiktok.com, tap on search, and it will bring you to this page, and you can see it says log in, but you can see 3 horizontal stripes next to the TikTok logo on the left hand side at the top. If you tap on that and then you tap on either For You or Discover, I'll tap on For You to go to the For You page. You can see it's loaded up TikTok and it's showing me videos from the For You page. I can go ahead and scroll on them and watch these TikToks. Now, if I go ahead and tap on the account option there at the bottom right, you can see I am not signed in. It says sign up for an account. So that is me watching TikToks without an account. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.